In the world of healthcare, time and information are two resources often in short supply. When medical professionals are doing their rounds, they need access to up-to-date information, such as patient records, administered medications, or test results. Too often this information is caught up in paper-based systems that are slow and cumbersome to maintain and can't move with the clinicians as they work. Some attempts to solve these challenges rely on clinicians logging into hospital systems that are often shared by other staff members. Gaining immediate access is not always possible, and searching for patient information using unfamiliar applications and equipment can be slow and confusing. It all takes up valuable time that is better spent caring for the patient. Fast, easy access through a familiar interface that they already use on a daily basis would save hours in paperwork and administration, plus provide access to critical information when it's needed most. Introducing the Anywhere Clinical Desktop from Data3. Based on virtual desktop infrastructure, the Anywhere Clinical Desktop can utilize low-cost terminals placed around the hospital, close to the patient, or even via mobile units. Clinicians simply tap their access card on the terminal to access their desktop with no need to remember usernames and passwords. Because they are using their own familiar Windows desktop, clinicians can quickly call up previous notes or find test results using applications they already know. Updates are made on the spot, minimizing mistakes and making information instantly available to all those involved in the continuum of care. When finished, a user simply taps off, moves to the next location and taps on again. Session portability means the previous session is preserved and the desktop reopens exactly how they left it, ensuring no time is wasted digging back through notes and applications. All data becomes available anywhere they go, on any device. It's a consistent experience no matter where they are. Clinicians can even customize what applications are presented on that desktop, depending on the terminal's location or department. For example, at a patient's bedside, the terminal might first display the patient's health record with medication history and clinical observations. A device in the radiology department, however, might show initially the patient's test results. It can all be customized based on the context of the situation, the person accessing the information, and the location. With clinicians inputting data at the point of care, the risk of data loss is diminished, along with the threat of a security breach. Devices can be a mix of existing PCs, thin clients, zero clients, or tablets. It is also possible to configure this solution to utilize the patient entertainment system already installed at each bedside. Because this is a virtualized solution, the expected lifespan of the hardware is extended from a typical 3 to 4 years for traditional PCs to up to 10 years depending on the device selected, further improving the return on investment. You can vary the levels of security depending on the nature of the information accessed. Plus, the solution can be overlaid onto existing healthcare infrastructure where there is sufficient capacity. Data3 has extensive experience working in the healthcare field, and we understand the challenges that doctors, nursing staff, IT teams, and hospital management face in delivering the right level of patient care. Our consultative approach, strategic vendor relationships, and technical knowledge ensures we will design a solution that meets the needs of any healthcare environment.